Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be doing Python. Again, this is an important video that py. And if you haven't, go watch my other videos. Yeah. And if you don't know what Visual Studio is, it's a Python on YouTube and yeah, it's like a coding app, and yeah, we're doing Python on this, and to make it Python you gotta do .py, so it turns into Python. Yeah, and then they got search, source control, running debug, extensions, and testing. Yeah, and you gotta download it, but yeah, if you don't know how to, search it up, because I don't think we got enough time to explain that. So let's get started. So first we're going to be doing valid equals false. Valid would equals false. In fact, I think they want a capital V. Valid equals false. Yeah. I think you need a capital letter because because on some of my other projects it didn't work because I didn't have a capital letter, so that's why I'm just using it. So we're gonna do while not valid, while not valid, no valid, not valid. Boom. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, I kind of didn't forget. I just accidentally typed it in because I don't forget that fast. But only in super long words I forget. Hashtag. Wait. No, that's not a hashtag. That's a column. Hashtag. Only you can put anything after hashtag though. That was it. Like this. If I do like this, anything, I can put. Oops. I can put anything after a hashtag. Anything. Like, I'm not joking. Like anything. Nothing will do it. Well, I think you can put anything because it's common. But why is this try not working? Do I have to give backspace or what? What's going on? Oh no. Yeah, what am I gonna put this though? Huh? I'm so confused. Do I just have to remove this out now? What's going on? What do I put it? Over here? It's not that yellow. I just put it over there. Then we're gonna do n equals n equals input. Alright. Input. And then we're gonna do enter a number. And then enter number. So BR. Oh no, you gotta put it double quotes. No, I forgot. Why? Enter. Wait. And then enter a number. Gonna do enter then A, no, not N. Enter a number. And then we're going to do column, and then space, column, space. And then that's done. Now we gotta go over, and then we're gonna do while, and while, y, of n, is two, oops, equals 0. Equals 0. Column. And then space print by, space print by, by. Yeah, I'm gonna say bye at the end of the video because yeah. Valid equals true. Valid equals true. Troops. True. True. Except valid error. No. Except. Except. Except value error. Print invalid. Print. No. I accidentally did put print invalid. Alright, that's the project. It's English. What's the problem? It might be because of the space or something. Yeah, I'm gonna find out what's going on. Alright, so I got the. I haven't repaired it yet. I think it's something wrong with the spaces or something. But yeah, I'm gonna repair it. Alright, guys, so I put in all of the stuff. Yeah, I put it in, and yeah, it was something wrong with spaces. Yeah. So let's try it. Oh wait, it was something wrong with spaces, and it was because I don't know that true. Hey, what's the problem? Is it true not identified? Oh wait, no, it wasn't the site. It wasn't that. I did it like that because I thought it was with the T something because I don't know. Because because it's the T up there was but what? No, what's going on? Huh? There's probably just something wrong. Code when my code's supposed to be working, there's just something wrong. It's probably just something wrong with here. It's supposed to work. Just this is not working over here for some reason. Huh? Yeah, but it's going to work if you try. I think it's going to work, but yeah. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.